How to establish a recurring IT maintenance day for MSP clients. Regular IT maintenance is essential for MSPs. It keeps systems healthy by staying on top of patching, updates, and infrastructure checks. In this video, we'll show you how to set up a recurring maintenance schedule with your clients using PSA tools. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Step 1. Define the scope and timing of recurring maintenance. Set a clear, consistent maintenance schedule and communicate it to your clients. This helps set expectations, reduce downtime, and deliver reliable service. Here are a few best practices. Choose a consistent schedule. Perform maintenance at the same time each cycle. Set the right maintenance window. Decide if work should happen overnight or during business hours based on client needs. Group similar clients together. Organize clients by SLA or time zone to streamline your workflow, especially as your client base grows. Step 2. Identify maintenance task categories. Be clear on what tasks are included during each maintenance window. Most maintenance work falls into these categories. Review disk space, memory usage, and hardware alerts. Apply OS and third-party software updates. Confirm backups completed successfully and test restores. Run EDR/AV scans and check for vulnerabilities. Remove temporary files, browser clutter, and unused agents. Check switch and router health, including firmware status. Step 3. Map responsibilities and set automations. After setting up regular maintenance tasks, assign technicians to recurring tickets to ensure accountability. It's also helpful to designate a maintenance lead to handle escalations and consolidate reports. You can use group policies to force users to log off before maintenance, disable non-critical services, set defined maintenance windows for Windows Update. On maintenance days, schedule log rotation or backup scripts to run at specific times using Windows Task Scheduler or your RMM agent integrations. Additional tips and considerations for IT maintenance operations. Here are some additional things to consider for maintenance operations. In addition to setting a schedule, send reminders and updates before and after maintenance. This builds trust and keeps communication clear. Best practices for maintenance reminders. Send reminders at least 72 hours in advance. Include the date, time, and time zone. Explain any expected impact on operations. Provide a point of contact during the maintenance window. After maintenance is complete, provide clients with a status update or maintenance summary report. Some clients may require on-site visits for maintenance and support. Having a clear plan for these situations is especially important if you manage many hybrid clients. Best practices for hybrid maintenance strategies include: handle software-related tasks remotely. Schedule on-site visits quarterly or, as agreed, for firmware updates, device cleaning and dust removal, visual inspections, server room temperature checks. Maximize on-site time by coordinating visits for multiple clients when possible. Recurring IT maintenance supports proactive operations. By combining automation, strong communication, and smart planning, MSPs can create a scalable, high-quality maintenance experience that puts clients first. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to establish a recurring IT maintenance day linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.